Today, we start where true luxury begins, the source of 18 CT gold. Follow me.
Copper weight certified. Final batch certified for fusion. Temperature exceeding 1000 degrees Celsius. Initiating fusion.
Stabilizer dose injected. Chemistry check nominal.
Spectrometer confirms 750 parts per thousand gold. Everose formula locked and stable.
Pour rate set. Maintaining thermal control for crystallization.
Bead sizing initiated. Target uniformity achieved.
These beads are now certified 18 karat gold, Rolex proprietary Everose alloy. Flawless, stable, and ready.
QC confirmed. Everose alloy passing all metrics. 18 CT certified.
Bead loading complete. Initiating thermal refusion.
Die temperature stabilized. Continuous draw initiating.
Rod diameter verified. Color consistent. Production flow steady.
Slab profile locked. Transfer to rolling press.
Profile initiated. Surface temperature dropping to 40 degrees Celsius. Diameter variance zeroed. Tolerance verified to 2 microns.
Slab loaded. Pressure settings verified. Engaging rollers.
Plate certified. Thickness variance 0. Clear for component feed.
Gold stock transit initiated. Clear path to machining hall.
Section 2. Now that the perfect Everose alloy is certified, we move to the machining hall. Case stock loaded. Hydraulic clamp torque verified. Begin rough contour.
Rough contour certified. Material integrity nominal.
Aperture depth verified. Tolerance check nominal.
Bezel stock loaded. Spindle calibration complete.
Fluting depth verified. Profile integrity check commencing. Stamping cycle complete. Pressure relief nominal.
Thread profile confirmed. Zero tolerance variance.
Dimensional scan complete. All points certified nominal.
This monoblock construction is the legendary oyster case, the foundation of every Rolex, carved from a single block of gold.
Gold stock feed steady. Initiating link cutting program.
Cut cycle green. Output rate sustained.
Tumbling cycle initiated. Target time 6 hours.
Drill trajectory locked. Hole diameter verified to 1 micron.
Geometry confirmed. All link tolerances certified.
Cycle speed is stable at 95 SPM.
Data confirms green across the board.
Engraving depth verified. Traceability matrix confirmed.
Pressure stable at 10 bar. Zero leakage confirmed.
Ultrasonic cycle complete. Zero contaminants detected.
Gasket seated and clear. Integrity verified.
Case threads certified zero fatigue. Structural integrity pass.
First pass complete. Preparing for final shine.
Luminosity measured. Consistency variance 0.
Luster achieved. Fluting integrity retained. Internal link screws secured. Articulation check nominal.
Articulation test complete. Zero friction variance.
Milling program verified. Tool path locked. Jewel force seating confirmed. Lubrication check nominal. Gear train secured. Freedom of motion verified.
Hairspring engaged. Amplitude test set.
Dose confirmed. Bearing friction optimized.
Rate stabilized. Chronometer standard achieved.
Hands secured. Clearance level verified.
Lume dose verified. Luminescence test pass.
Section 4. The movement meets the gold. The final delicate steps to create the ultimate day-date watch head.
Movement seated. Pin alignment secured.
Stem locked. Setting function verified.
Crown sealed. Final quarter turn locked.
Press force verified. Bezel snap confirmed.
Crystal seated. Centered alignment verified.
Pressure at 12.5 bar. Zero ingress detected.
Masterpiece complete. Ready for final dispatch.
Batch count nominal. Ready for security scan.
Thousands of hours, thousands of processes, resulting in one flawless timepiece, multiplied across this entire dispatch hall.